What were you saying to Howard? What were you saying to Howard? Can you tell Howard again? What were you saying to him? There's a sock on the floor. It's true. Thank you. Why don't you go put it in the laundry basket in the hall? The laundry basket is in the hall. Over here. It's all the way down there. Thank you. Good job. Thank you. Good job. So smart.